A new vehicle experience begins with the people who drive it every day.
And it keeps getting better.
IVECO Fidelity rewards professional drivers for sustainable, high-quality driving, turning good habits into experience points, progress and rewards.
Drive well and get something back. I like it.
And it all lives through the Easy Way app, right where your working day already is. Simple, accessible, always with you.
Easy. The smart way to get the best out of my vehicle.
Now the experience becomes even more engaging. Informative rankings to follow your own progress, personal missions to challenge yourself, a driver nickname to join in your own way, badges that make every achievement visible.
Challenge accepted. One espresso, please.
And it's built to last. Automatic campaign renewal keeps you going. And now Fidelity Club extends to electric vehicles too.
Now I'm fully charged.
The reward catalogue is renewed with a redesigned experience, dedicated discounts, and more flexible redemption. Points or points plus euros.
Wow, even more ways to make my driving count.
Because this isn't about competing with others. It's about challenging yourself, improving your results, and being recognized for driving the way it should be done.
And that's why I love driving it even more.
Register now and join the new IVECO Fidelity Club experience.
Welcome on board.